Hello everyone, this is Inderpreet. As you know, we have started writing skills and we are already done with the two topics, essay writing and email writing. In my previous videos, we talked about email writing and I told you that those topics are very important from the board point of view. Fine. So today I'm going to talk about debate writing, which is the hot topic of 11th and 12th class students. Not only 11th and 12th but 10th class also. So how to write it? First of all, debate. What do you mean by debate? Debate का मतलब क्या है? Debate means discussion and that is healthy discussion. Please don't go for those discussions which we see in our news channels. Those are not discussions, those are just mere mockery of debates. So kindly don't go for that. But yes, जो हम यहाँ पे करने वाले हैं आप प्लीज उस पर ध्यान दीजिएगा. डिबेट राइटिंग. Now debate, what do you mean by debate? Debate is discussion on healthy topics. For example, in front of you I have written one special topic for you. हमने आज आपके लिए एक नया टॉपिक लाया है which is very important in today's scenario of scientific technology. That is, will dependency on AI tools make students less creative? Now this is the burning topic, burning question even I can say कि एक बहुत ही burning question है, बड़ा ही hot topic है आज के सिनेरियो में जब साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ज़्यादा हमारा ग्रो कर रहा है. हर चीज़ के दो फेजेस होते हैं. Every coin has two phases. One is negative, one is positive, and that is debate. You have to write for the motion and against the motion, and when you have to write for, then it should be the positive points only, and if it is negative against the topic, then it should be negative only. आज मैं आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ फॉर्मेट के बारे में बताऊंगी, and then in my next video we will talk about it in brief. हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. फाइन. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि डिबेट लिखते कैसे हैं. This is the topic, we'll talk about it later on, but first we should know how to write it, how to start it. जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था कि डिबेट राइटिंग, एसे राइटिंग, रिपोर्ट राइटिंग, स्पीच राइटिंग, दीज आर लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप राइटिंग स्किल्स. ये हमारे लॉन्ग आंसर्स होते हैं राइटिंग स्किल्स के. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द लॉन्ग आंसर्स ऑफ राइटिंग स्किल्स, डिबेट राइटिंग. सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू जस्ट नाउ दैट डिबेट मीन्स डिस्कशन. तो डिस्कशन में कुछ लोग यस भी बोलेंगे, फाइन, एंड कुछ लोग नो बोलेंगे. No two men think alike. दो इंसान एक जैसा नहीं सोचते और हर कोई एक जैसा डिस्कशन में, हर कोई किसी के एक जैसे पॉइंट्स नहीं होते. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर मी AI tools are not that important or for not that creative for a person. और AI tools जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स को, ना सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को, it is not about only students, it's about human beings, the creativeness of human beings. तो हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे कि AI tools जो है क्या वो हमारे लिए as a human being, क्या वो हमारे लिए सही है? क्या उनके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहना, क्या उनको यूज करना, डिपेंडेंट, जब हम किसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं दैट मीन्स यू हैव नो अदर चॉइस. सो क्या हमारी ये जो डिपेंडेंसी है AI टूल्स के ऊपर, क्या ये सही है? तो ये है हमारा टॉपिक. बट बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू द टॉपिक वी शुड नो हाउ टू स्टार्ट डिबेट राइटिंग. फाइन. सो फॉर डिबेट राइटिंग what we should do, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को ऐसे राइटिंग में बोला था कि we have to start with introduction. The first paragraph will be the intro paragraph. Then we have second paragraph, third paragraph. These two paragraphs can be body paragraph. Fine. And the fourth one is concluding paragraph, जिसको हम बोलते हैं conclusion. तो as the name indicates, introduction. So here in debate writing, particularly we are here today, we are talking about debate writing. So we will talk about how to write introduction of debate writing. As essay writing में हम लोगों ने जो हम लोगों ने introduction की थी, that was different. But here is different क्योंकि this is debate, means discussion on one thing, that is yes or no. As I just told you that this debate has to be either yes or no. Why? Because debate is always for the motion, fine, and against the motion. For the motion matlab that you are agreeing to the topic. Yes. Dependency on AI tools makes students less creative. Or against the motion, no. Dependency on AI tools makes students not less creative. Fine. So in here we have to write either yes or no. Fine. So here in this debate writing, we'll start with introduction. Now intro of whom? Intro of my topic and intro of mine. Here in debate writing, we have to write the introduction of myself and introduction of my topic. For example, here my topic is this. So I will start this introduction in this paragraph. I will write what is my topic, what is my topic, who am I, मैं कौन हूँ, fine. Then उसके बाद in my body paragraphs, what we have to do? I have to write that positive points if I am in favor of the topic and negative points if I am against the topic. Fine. In दो paragraphs में you can extend the paragraphs to 4 or 5, whatever the question demands. Then is fourth, the conclusion. Conclusion is always अपना होता है. Conclusion हमेशा हमारा खुद का होता है. That means whatever you have written, these positive points or negative points, you have to give one single thing that yes, this thing मैं इस चीज को मानती हूँ कि हाँ ये चीज होनी चाहिए या ये चीज ऐसी होती है या ये चीज ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो here in conclusion you can give some suggestive measures also. Fine. तो ये जो debate writing है हमारा 3 भाग में है, 3 parts में है. First part is introduction of yours and your topic. Then is your body paragraph, that is content with examples you have to write. And then conclusion, that means you are ending your writing skill. Fine. So now in my next video, we will talk about thoroughly that how to write and how to start a debate competition. Thank you so much.